So here the magnet is on this side, so this is the way to know that where the magnet is. And below this I have my magnet. Okay? So what I'm going to do is going to put this, it will activate the own Wi-Fi of the WiSens. It will be on for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then I will connect to it and I will access to the interface, and we will pass through together to the different mode of use. So I have to go out of PowerPoint. Good. So here you can see the WiSens TD, so this connection appearing. So it's connected, just say no internet, logical. And then I'm going into Google Chrome. So you can see it's a real demonstration. I'm not using my computer, I'm using the computer of the Oceanology here. So I'm typing the IP address of the sensor. And now I'm on the interface. So I'm on the interface of this WiSens here. So in general, the first thing that you can do is just to make a real-time measurement. Actually, real-time measurement is real-time visualization. It's not storing the data, but it's a good way to check that your system is operating well. So here I can visualize temperature and pressure of the room. So in terms of programmation, so the first thing is to go into system stages, and we will get back to the different things that you see. Typically on a smartphone it will be presented in a vertical way, and you will see first this, and this, more or less. So here you can check your memory and remaining power. You can add a comment if you want on this deployment, so you can mark the date, the GPS position, or this type of information to keep them together with your data. This is the main measurement period, duty cycle, so you can see I can go from milliseconds to hour, and here I can choose whether the sampling regime is continuous or gust, and here are the three different ways to start. So manual, typically here I can weather type or choose the date, for example duty cycle, and if it is a condition, then here I can choose which sensors is going to put the condition. So here temperature, or the most commonly used. I can put depths. And we also have the option with several sensors that you can choose on the start mode specifically. You can choose how long you want this information to be checked. So if you make a profile, for example, you want to be sure that this condition is verified before starting. So you can choose how long you want to check that you're at the good depths before starting the device. And then you can confirm, and it's ready to start, and it's just making the acquisition and storing the data. And at any time you can recover the data. So here you can see the calibration that I was speaking to you before. So for example, here you can find different point of calibration for the pressure, the same for the temperature. And here, as you can see, you can find the type of calibration, the whether Steinhardt or Bennett, for example, for the temperature. And finally, once you made your measurements, so you go into measurement file, and the good thing is you can, as I told, pre-visualize the data. So I go into the intervention point here, and I just click on the eye, and I can pre-visualize here the data that has been measured before downloading it. And typically if I just want to focus on the depth or to focus on the temperature, so it's pretty flexible and easy to use. So actually that's it for me. This is just the general system settings. If you want to change the IP address, for example, if you're of your WiSens, if you have several systems, you can give them a specific IP address. So that's it. So that's it for me. Thank you very much.